Hello everyone, hello to my beautiful ladies out there. You're welcome back to my channel. In this channel you'll be getting beautiful hairstyles ideas and inspiration, and even fashion styles ideas and inspiration that are trendy in 2024. Please, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome to the family. You're welcome. And to my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And to my new subscribers, I would love you to leave a comment in the comment section below to tell me your favorite hairstyle in this video. So into this video, I'm going to be showing you beautiful Ghana weaving braids hairstyle that's trendy. This hairstyle is so beautiful, this is unique. If you're having a beautiful occasion in mind and you don't have any hairstyles that you want to rock to that beautiful occasion, please, this video is definitely for you. I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.